So day one of the Sales Fundamentals Workshop, we come in hot with a real focus on two things right off the bat. Number one is goals. What are we trying to do? How are we getting really specific to know what the scoreboard shows so we can pursue that? And then right after that, we really want to take that spotlight and put it on our customer base, our prospects, the people that we want to serve, and really think through the needs and fears and pains so we can go confidently to start to initiate these conversations and deliver value first. In the afternoon, after a fantastic lunch, we have lots of exercises to get people moving, sharing insights. We just had a game that had judges and announced winners there. Then we're gonna give them a couple-hour break. We're all gonna load buses, and we are going to go to an undisclosed location and have some incredible fun, relax, meet some new friends tonight.